Hello there, my name is Biel. I'm one of the founders of Feater, and today I'm gonna show you the new AI assistant for Ableton. So Feater allows you to just talk to your project, and yeah, let's just get right into it. I will ask today to make a lo-fi track, maybe. So let's just start with some drums. So Peter has access to our Ableton project. Now it will read it to see what tracks we have there. It can also have access to all of your devices and the parameters. And yeah, it can also search throughout all of your library for the presets that you currently have. We can see that in this case it chose a 909. And let's see what kind of pattern it makes. Okay, that's quite fast maybe. Now, yeah, actually it will try to process it with some EQ and compression. I mean, we can tune this behavior through the user prompt maybe if we want to do that ourselves, because we already have a chain that we want to use. But yeah, I think it's always helpful when it adds compression for you. Okay, maybe I don't need it to set up a new send track. Well, it just, yeah, it actually detected which one is my drum reverb and added it to there. So yeah, that's quite nice. Okay, so it created some drums. Maybe now let's go with a chord progression. What about grand piano maybe? Maybe yeah, let's take a look into the drums it made while it creates the grand piano. We can see it sets usually like the kicks louder than the heads and also the claps. In this case, I don't think it created a lot of velocity differences between the heads, but enough to be natural, so that's quite nice. yeah, we can see it added the piano and it added the chord progression. So let's test that. Nice. Okay, it also set the volume. Be aware that Feater doesn't really have context into the output levels of the track right now, so it might make mistakes when it comes to setting the levels. That's something we should always try to do ourselves. Yeah, it's okay, I don't need you to fire the clips. Okay, maybe what element should I add next? Of course I am, like, let's say, showcasing all of Feater's features, so that's why I am being like very hands-off with it. Usually I would start my project and then maybe like get some help with the chords or the synths. Okay, so Feater says we're missing bass. Yeah, let's or no, maybe let's add some congas. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it wants to add some syncopated congas. Let's see how that sounds. I mean, we can see also Feater really explains how it does things, which is usually very helpful, you know, for learning more. If you're trying to learn a new genre that you are usually not sure how it works. Yeah. So let's try the congas while it sets the levels and processing well. And you know, if I don't like it, I feel like it doesn't work very well in this case. Maybe we could try some delay. Not really. But yeah, we can see it already added some compression. Okay, that's better. Nice. Okay, I will leave it here. I want to showcase in another moment how the arrangement works, but yeah, I think we're still making some improvements there. So if you want to try Feater, go to feater.ai and just download it. I'm very excited to see what you will make with it. Thank you.